Claudia, was there a lot of traffic today? Yeah, why do you think there was so much traffic? Yeah, was there an accident?
No.
No, just everybody's driving slowly. Did you get stuck in traffic too? On 50?
66.
Normally it's 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Today 1 hour.
Oh wow. Did you get your coffee?
I think
No.
I go to 39, come to 9.
Yeah, how long did it take?
1 hour.
Oh my
Drive
gosh,
like
from
that.
Alexandria? Wow, wow. Usually when it rains, people drive more slowly because it's dangerous
Yeah.
if you drive fast. Okay, so let's do you remember what we were talking about on Monday? Health, right? Good. Okay, so we're going to do some listening activities today. We're going to do listening, we're going to do a practice with ordering in a restaurant, right? I brought some menus. And we're going to talk about exercise, okay? Different ways to get exercise. Before we do the listening, we're going to make a list of foods that we order in a restaurant, okay? 2 types of food, the healthy foods and the unhealthy foods, okay? So think about when you go to a restaurant. Do you usually order healthy food or unhealthy food? Unhealthy food. Anybody else? Tip, do you usually order unhealthy food or healthy food?
Maybe healthy food, maybe unhealthy.
So it depends. Sometimes healthy food. Okay, Supata, can you give me an example of something healthy that you order sometimes?
Vegetable salad.
A vegetable salad? Okay, good. So a salad. What about something else healthy? Kyojong, what do you think? Something healthy?
Tea.
Tea? Good, that's a good one. So we'll put foods and drinks. Tea, right? We talked about green tea, right, on Monday. What else is healthy that you can order?
fish.
Fish? Yeah, fish is healthy. What else? Zenali? Chicken? Yeah. TK? Anything else? Tofu? And what is tofu?
Tofu soup.
Tofu, it's in miso soup, right? What is tofu? Does anybody know?
Made by
It's difficult to explain, right?
bean like a jelly. Made by bean.
Yeah, it's made from soybeans, right? It's made from soy. And it's usually like,
A jelly.
it's kind of like this, and they cut it in small pieces, right? A lot of vegetarians eat tofu, right? So that's a good, it has a lot of protein, right? And makes you strong. Okay, it's made from soybeans, good. Anything else healthy, TK?
Rice.
Rice, okay. Girl, what do you order that's healthy when you go to a restaurant?
Tip.
Do you have another one? Soup. Soup? Okay, good. Our soup? Anything else? Potatoes, maybe. It depends. What kind of potatoes are?
Not freeze.
It depends how you prepare it, right? So we'll put French fries here. What type of potato is healthy? How do you prepare a healthy potato? Boiled potatoes? Okay. What does it mean if you boil something? TK, can you explain that?
Use water and make
Is it cold water or hot water?
heat.
Okay.
and some food.
Put
And put in
the pot.
yes.
Okay. Right. So you heat the water, right?
Put in microwave.
Or you can do it in the microwave. Yeah. You can do it on the stove, or you can put it in the microwave, right? Yeah. That's good. You can use that for the microwave, and then you put the potato in the water. Right after, it usually has bubbles. Right. It's going really fast. The water is moving fast. What's another way? What is it called if you put it in the oven? You put a potato in the oven. What kind of potato? No, not a sweet potato. A baked potato. Good. A baked potato, right? You put it in the oven. Okay? Alright, let's look at some unhealthy foods. We have one, French fries.
Hamburger.
Hamburgers, okay.
Pizza.
Pizza,
Sweet. Cake.
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 What else? What other delicious things, right, can we put on unhealthy? Cookies.
Ice cream.
Claudia has a list in her head, right? Cookies, ice cream, coffee, soda. We'll keep, that was soda. Same category. What else? Hyojung, do you have something else? Hot dogs. All of our favorite foods, right? Chocolate.
Sometimes healthy.
What about a kind of meat? We have chicken and fish for healthy. Beef, sometimes, it depends, right?
I don't like.
Beef here, you can put,
Oh. Bacon.
I'm sorry?
Bakeries.
Bacon.
Bakery?
Bacon.
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 Oh yeah. Like you eat for breakfast? Right? Bacon. So we have beef here, regular beef. And then lean beef is a healthy food. What does lean mean? If you go to the supermarket and you're going to buy meat, you can look at the package and it says 93% lean. What does that mean? It's similar to fat-free, right? So lean means it just has a little bit of fat, right? So if you want to have a barbecue and you're going to make hamburgers, you can go to the store and you buy the meat, and there are different levels. There's 80%, 85%, 93%. I don't think they have 100% lean, but you can get lean beef, right? So low fat beef. Okay, anything else to add to the list?
Pasta.
Pasta? For which side? Unhealthy? It probably depends on the sauce, right? If you put like cream sauce or cheese, mayonnaise on pasta? Yeah? I have never had pasta with mayonnaise. Do you cook that?
Ketchup.
Yes.
Yes.
Pasta salad?
Oh, pasta, like cold pasta salad?
Yeah.
Okay.
Put the mayo.
Okay, with vegetables and beans and things like that. Okay. If you have just maybe tomato sauce, maybe it would be healthy. It depends. Okay, so look in your book on page 72. 72. So up here, we're going to do listening 1, making inferences. Making inferences. What is an inference? Gural, do you have an idea what an inference is? Claudia, you have your thinking face on.
Maybe
Like you have an idea?
yeah.
Okay, so maybe it's like a guess, right? You think about the word a guess. So you use some information and you make a guess, right? You think about what is possible, right? Maybe today it's raining, right? So we make an inference. I'm going to leave my house early because I think there will be a lot of traffic, right? You're making inference. You're not sure, but you think it's raining. I think there's going to be a lot of traffic. You make an inference that there's going to be a lot of traffic, okay? So we're making an inference from what we hear, okay? Arzu, can you read the instructions you will hear?
You will hear two conversations that take place in a restaurant. In conversation 1, a woman is ordering a meal, and in conversation 2, a man is ordering a meal. Listen to both conversations and answer this question. Who cares more about healthy, the man or the woman? Okay, good. So you're going to listen to two conversations. Conversation 1 is a woman. She's ordering in a restaurant. I want you to write down what she orders, okay, what she eats. And then conversation 2 is a man. Write down what the man eats. Then we're going to compare, and we're going to decide who ordered healthier food, okay? I don't know. Cares?
Which one? Who cares? So who feels that health is important, right? Maybe you have your baby, you care about your baby. It's important to you, okay? Any other questions? Okay, you ready?
Health. Getting the most out of life. Listening 1, page 72. Ordering a meal.
Conversation 1.
Are you ready to order, or do you need a few more minutes?
I'm ready. I'll have the fried chicken with biscuits and gravy.
It comes with potatoes, rice, or corn on the cob.
Potatoes, I guess.
Mashed, baked, or French fries?
Mashed.
Would you like soup or salad with that?
No thanks.
How was everything here? May I take your plate?
Uh-huh.
Would you care for some dessert? We have lemon cake, chocolate cream pie, ice cream, or fresh strawberries.
I'll have the chocolate pie, please.
Would you like coffee or tea?
Coffee. And could you bring the check with that?
Conversation 2.
May I take your order?
What's the special today?
We have prime rib or fresh sole.
Sole sounds good. How much is that?
$9.95.
Okay, I'll have the sole.
Would you like soup or salad?
What's the soup of the day?
Vegetable beef.
I'll take the salad, please.
What kind of dressing would you like? French, oil and vinegar, or Thousand Island?
Oil and vinegar. And can I have some water to drink?
Sure. Are you finished here, sir?
Yes, thanks.
Would you like anything for dessert? We have apple pie, chocolate cake, ice cream, or a fresh fruit salad.
I'll have the fruit salad.
Coffee with that?
No thanks, just the check.
Would you like to listen one more time?
Listening
Yeah.
2. I'll have the chocolate. Chapter 4. Health. Getting the most out of life. Listening 1, page 72. Ordering a meal.
Conversation 1.
Are you ready to order, or do you need a few more minutes?
I'm ready. I'll have the fried chicken with biscuits and gravy.
It comes with potatoes, rice, or corn on the cob.
Potatoes, I guess.
Mashed, baked, or French fries?
Mashed.
Would you like soup or salad with that?
No thanks.
How was everything here? May I take your plate?
Uh-huh.
Would you care for some dessert? We have lemon cake, chocolate cream pie, ice cream, or fresh strawberries.
I'll have the chocolate pie, please.
Would you like coffee or tea?
Coffee. And could you bring the check with that?
Conversation 2.
May I take your order?
What's the special today?
We have prime rib or fresh sole.
Sole sounds good. How much is that?
$9.95.
Okay, I'll have the sole.
Would you like soup or salad?
What's the soup of the day?
Vegetable beef.
I'll take the salad, please.
What kind of dressing would you like? French, oil and vinegar, or Thousand Island?
Oil and vinegar. And can I have some water to drink?
Sure. Are you finished here, sir?
Yes, thanks.
Would you like anything for dessert? We have apple pie, chocolate cake, ice cream, or a fresh fruit salad.
I'll have the fruit salad.
Coffee with that?
No thanks, just the check.
Okay. So, what did the woman order in conversation 1?
Fried chicken.
Fried chicken. With what?
Biscuit.
What is a biscuit? What is a biscuit? Have you been to Kentucky Fried Chicken or Popeyes here? What is a biscuit? Is the bread, right? It's like a small piece of bread. Usually it has a lot of butter in it. Delicious, but not healthy. Okay? And they said biscuits and what?
Curry.
Gravy. Biscuits and gravy. Does anyone know what gravy is? It's a liquid. It's a liquid, so it's like a sauce. What color is it?
Maybe yellow.
Yellow or brown, right? So it's a sauce they put on top of biscuits. Sometimes they put it on top of mashed potatoes. It depends. Yeah, mashed potatoes is common. Okay, so she had fried chicken with biscuits and gravy. What else? What kind of potatoes? Mashed potatoes. What is a mashed potato? What is mash, that verb? Mash is like, right? If I see an insect and I mash it, right? So now you can do it usually with a machine, right? But before you had to do it with your hand, right? You mash the potatoes. What do you put in the potatoes? Milk, maybe? Butter. Is that healthy or unhealthy? Unhealthy, right? Okay. And it's delicious. All right. What did she have for dessert? Chocolate pie. And did she have anything else to drink?
Coffee.
Okay. Chocolate pie and coffee. Good. What about the man? What did he order? He asked a question, right? He asked the waitress a question. What did he ask her? What is the special today? And what did she say? Sole. What is sole?
Fish.
It's a type of fish. Good. So it's a white fish. It's very light. So a sole is it's pretty healthy fish. Okay. You can see it under main dishes in your book. On this page here it says main dishes, sole. It's down there. What else did he order? Oil and vinegar with what?
Salad.
With a salad. So she said, would you like soup or salad? And he said, what is the soup of the day? Do you remember what was the soup of the day?
Beef.
Beef soup.
Vegetable beef soup. Good listening. Okay, but what did he decide? Soup or salad?
Salad.
Salad. Okay. And what kind of dressing?
Oil.
The dressing. The salad dressing. Oil and vinegar. Oil and vinegar. Do you remember the other choices?
Yeah.
What did you say? What were the other choices for salad dressing?
Green.
What, not dessert yet. The other salad dressing. Do you remember what she said? I think she said Thousand Island. It's like an orange dressing. But he chose oil and vinegar. Okay? And then what did he drink? Water. Good. Water. And did he have dessert?
Fruit salad.
Fruit salad. Good. So let's look at these lists. Who is healthier? The man, right? Much healthier. Okay. Do you have any questions about this dialogue, this listening? The woman's going to get fat? Maybe it's a special occasion. Maybe it's her birthday, right? She usually eats more healthy, but today she's eating unhealthy food. Okay. Hmm?
Your sweater.
Oh, thank you. I'll get it. Okay, so let's look at the list of food right here to make sure we know the vocabulary. So let's start under main dishes. Main dishes. What does that mean, main dishes? Principal, like the big thing, right? Some people say the entree, right? When you look in a restaurant on the menu, it says entrees. Entree is the same as main dish. Okay, what is prime rib, the first one? Prime rib. What is it, chicken or beef or? It's beef. Right, this is your ribs, right, these bones. So it's from this part of a cow. Prime rib, they cook it very slowly. So you don't need a knife. You can use your fork to cut it, usually. It's very tender. It's very soft when you eat it. Tender, right? So it's a very tender beef. What about steak? Steak, right? So usually, and how do you eat it? It's a piece of meat from what animal? From a cow, right? Beef, it's beef. Okay. How do you eat steak? You need two things, right? You need a knife, probably, right? A fork and a knife. What about pork chops? No? What is pork? What animal is pork? A pig. And what is a chop? Chops? Chop, right? So, in Taekwondo, right? The chop. Okay. So usually a pork chop is something, you have a piece of meat and then there's a bone. And this is a chop. One chop. It's like a slice. Right? And this bone is right on the meat. Lamb.
Yes.
Lamb. Some people eat lamb chops also. They're smaller though, right? They're like this. Something like that. And you can get maybe 3 pieces or something at a restaurant, okay? You like that? Okay. So those are chops, right? The little piece of meat with the bone. Fried chicken. Easy. Chicken that we fry, right? Fried chicken. Sole. Fish and a white fish, right? And what is cod? It's similar. It's similar to sole. It's a fish. Okay, let's look at side dishes. So you have your entree, and then you have a side dish. Rice. Rice. Okay. Mashed potatoes, baked potato, French fries. We talked about that. Mashed, baked, or French fries, which one is the healthiest? Baked potato, probably.